Hi Rebecca, this is Mrs. Fisher. I thought it might be easier if I just did a little recording for you. So we're going to take a look on page 303 at 6.14, which says trace the flow of the linear search loop, linear meaning one after the other, in section 6.3.5, where the array values contain the elements 80, 90, 100, 120, and 110. What we're trying to show here is how you can trace it with your hand tracing. So we're going to create a table. I'm going to do it in Word because I can't handwrite and get it onto the screen. But I'm going to do it in Word and show two columns, one for the position and one for the variable found. So here's my array, and you can see it has the values 80, 90, 100, 120, and 110. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with our table over here in Word. We're going to say the position value starts at 0, the found variable starts at false. Because right here it says int POS equals 0 and Boolean found equals false. Then it comes into the while loop, and the position is still less than the end of the array list, and not found is true because it was false, so not makes it true. If the value at position 0, which is 80, is equal to our search value, which is 100, then I'd set found to true, but it's not. So I don't change found, but I do change my position value. So I'm going to go ahead and say it's no longer 0, now it's the number 1. Okay, it left my cross out there, sorry. Then I come back up, and again, so now I say we'll look at position 1 in the array list. And it's a 90. 90 is still not equal to 100. So it comes down, it skips over the found equals true, and then adds 1 to the POS. Okay, now the POS is 2. It comes back up, and now when it gets into the loop here, it says I'm still less than the size of the array. That's good, and I'm still not found. So now it says if the value of position 2 is equal to the searched value. Position 2 is 100, 0, 1, 2. So this time it is true. I'm going to change found from false to true. So I'm going to go ahead and cross it off here and write in true. At this point, it would no longer be in this while loop anymore, and we would know that the value 100 was located in position 2. So the idea for this problem is to hand trace what's happening in the program and in the flow of the code that was given for the linear search. So what you need to do to finish this assignment out is to do the thing I just did, create a trace table. It can be on paper or it can be in Word, that has the position and the found or not found. And you're going to use the values 80, 90, and 70 since we already did 100. So you can either add to this Word document that I have here, or create one similar to this, or you can just write it down on a piece of paper. All right, Rebecca, I hope that helps. And again, the idea here is to be able to hand trace through code that already exists and be able to follow through what are the values of the different variables as I go through this. All right, kiddo, let me know if you need any more help. Thanks.